The Emerald Kapha elixir cools the hair and scalp to intensify reconstruction and restoration. This elixir is ideal for people with normal scalps looking to reduce hair fall and improve their current hair health. It contains Bhringraj Oil, which reduces hair fall, promotes hair growth, and combats premature graying of hair. If you are using our lunar hair chart, this is best used in the spring, summer, and fall, following the thicken goal. Apply generously before your haircut and leave in for 24 to 48 hours before washing your hair.